Prepare to experience something truly unique at Orme House, an exquisite student accommodation nestled in the vibrant city of Newcastle Under Lyme. Located at Orme Rd, the property offers a range of studio and non-ensuite apartments, each featuring a comfortable bed and ample storage space. Choose a spacious studio apartment for added privacy, complete with ensuite bathrooms and fully fitted kitchens for your convenience. Additionally, Orme House also boasts beautiful and well-equipped social spaces, including a fantastic gym, vibrant communal hub, tranquil courtyard, sleek study area, and on-site laundry facilities. Talking about location, the property is just a short ride to Keele University and Staffordshire University, so you can manage your classes properly. Enjoy delectable meals at nearby restaurants like Orme House and Capello Lounge. And with the nearest Queen Elizabeth Park bus stop within walking distance and Stoke-on-Trent train station, just 4 minutes away, commuting in and around the city is a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Experience living in a vibrant market town of Newcastle Under Lyme while enjoying the quieter offset location at Orme House. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.